In July 2016, Xcel Energy had a storm come through and take out two 345 kV transmission lines running from their Monticello and Sherco power plants. One wood pole line was built after the storm, and now a steel pole line is being built. During the construction of the steel pole line, there were locations where the ground was too soft, and an engineered solution was required. Xcel chose the Chance grillage system. This grillage system uses helical piles and the center grillage structure. During installation, the grillage is used as a template to mark the helical piles locations. The grillage is removed and the piles are driven to proper depth and torque requirements as specified by the Chance engineering recommendation. There is no field welding or drilling. The piles are cut to length after pile installation. Torque is monitored during the pile installation, which provides a direct correlation to the capacity of the pile. This reduces the need for field testing. Chance grillage system utilizes 3.5-inch or 4.5-inch piles that are more efficient at penetrating soils than larger diameter 10-inch to 14-inch pipe piles. They also are installed with smaller installation equipment. The smaller equipment means minimal impacts to the right-of-way. There are no spoils to remove and provide a more environmentally friendly solution. A minimum amount of grout is required to tie the piles to the grillage. This system also allows for some variance in pile placement. Hubbell Power Systems is the world's leading expert in helical pile foundation solutions. The Chance grillage system offers a well-recognized and cost-effective alternative to other pile systems and is backed by over 100 years of engineering experience. Our staff of registered professional engineers work with transmission line owners and their consulting firms to site-specific soil conditions and load requirements. For this free service, contact your Hubbell representative today.